So students, as we have studied addition of four-digit number without carry, now today we'll study with carry, how to do the sums when there is a carry. Okay, so shall we take first example, that is 4765 and 2376. Now the same thing you have to do, write thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now you have to arrange the place value according to the place value 4765 2376. Don't forget to put the symbol of addition. Now start. So what we have to do, we have to start from ones place, then tens, hundreds and thousands, so on. Never ever start from this side. You always have to start from the ones place. So now start. 5 plus 6, that is 11. 1 here, like for example, if we get a 12, so the last, that is on the ones place, we will write here, and on the tens place we will carry it. The same way we have done, we got 11, so at ones place we have put here, and at of tens place the digit which was, we have carried it over here. Now moving on to tens column, now we will add both the three digits. Now the addition will be of both the three digit. Never forget the carry one. So 7 plus 6 plus 1, that will be 14. So 14, the ones place 4 which we have written here, and on tens place 1 was there, we had carry forward. So always we have to write the digit, like if 12, 14 came. So we have written 4 over here, that is on ones place, and the 1 that is on tens place, we have carried it over here. So always remember to write ones place the digit, whichever digit is on ones place we will write here, and on the tens place we will carry it to the next place, because we cannot write two digit, we cannot write 14 here, so we will carry it forward here. Now moving to the 100 columns, again there are three digits, because when we get from the carry and the two digits were already there. So 7 plus 3, that will be 10, and plus we will add 1 over here, so it will be 11. So from 11, the last digit of one place, that is 1, we have written here, and on tens place that there is again 1, so that we have carried over here. Now 4 plus 2, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. So we have written 7. So answer is 7141. Do it with on fingers or by making lines, whatever you feel easy you can do it, but don't forget the carry one number while adding. Put it a circle so that you will not forget it, and when you're adding, add both the three numbers. Don't forget the upper one, which we have written as a carry. Now adding three numbers all together. Again, what we have to do, we got the three numbers 4329, 3250 and 1625. Now write it down, thousand, hundreds, tens and one place. When we are doing the carry sums, always leave one line below the thousand, hundreds, tens and one place, so that you can write the carried digits. Otherwise it will be not a proper work. When we are doing neatness we need, we always leave one line, so that there we can write the carry numbers. So let's start. 9 plus 5, draw 9 lines and 5 lines, then add them, we will get 14. So as we did in the above question, we write 4 here, and at tens place, whatever the digit will be, we will carry it forward to the next column, that is it's 1 to 14. So 4, we have write 4 here, and 1 we had carried it over here. Now 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 plus 2, that is 9. 9 plus 1, that will be 10. So we got 10. So 1 plus 0, that is 1, 0, that is 10. So at ones place we got 0, and on tens place we are having 1. So we had carried 1, and we have written 0 over here. Now we have 4 digit to add up. You got 3 digit, but 1 you got from the carry. So now there are 4 digit to be added. Now add them. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So 2 we have written here and 1 we have carried, given to 1000 column. Now what we have to do? 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. 9, that is our answer, 9204. So never forget the carry one. Always remember to carry the digit, the tens place digit to the next column. Write the digit of ones place on the column below the digit where you have added, because we can't write two digit in the same row, so we carry forward to the another column. This is the logic of not writing the two digit and giving a carry. So in next class I will give you some question based on without carry over and with carry over. So be prepared. Do the practice of sums. Tell your parents to give you some sums so that you will practice. And next exercise I will make sure to give you some questions to solve.